Installation. Apply thread sealant to both ends of nipple. Install nipple in control valve and install main assembly on other end of nipple. Then tighten from the top coupling as shown. Insert stainless bushing into block. Insert activating arm cam between bumper and collar. Install 5/16" bolt through arm cam and bushing. Install washer and tighten nut. Thread female hose coupling to main assembly and tighten securely. No Teflon tape required. We also have an optional vacuum breaker available. Apply sealant tape to elbow attachment. Attach hose and tighten securely. Wall bracket installation. Determine suitable location and mount with flange. Determine adequate rod length and cut off excess rod. Tighten set screw to secure rod in wall flange. Install split collar around main assembly and secure with 2 screws. Optional quick connect hose is also available.